In
busy.
1 mile, keep left.
Busy working on other stuff, working on other channels, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, we got multiple channels from the car to reaction to, I don't remember the top of my head. We got like gaming, 3-4 channels. We also got the clothing brand. So we just been going. But I gotta give this channel more love. But as y'all can see the title, we going to go look at this little penthouse, you know what I'm saying, this little condo. What y'all think below, you know, I stay in Florida, so moving to Miami. Like I told y'all before, if any of y'all got cars, say y'all trying to collab this some car content, let me know, you know what I'm saying, because I need more car friends. I'm doing this dolo, you know what I'm saying?
Use the left 3 lanes to keep left.
I'll be doing this dolo, just me, myself, and me, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to collab with people, make some content,
Keep
but
left.
I never really found a car friend to really make.
7 miles, turn right.
I keep being interrupted, we're gonna have a problem. But I never really had no car group of friends really to make car content with, you know, just been me and my dolo. Even when I go to car meets, it'll just be me. That GTR is stuck behind me, he don't know how to get right. Be more consistent on my car content channel because I really like cars, you know what I'm saying? I'm a big car fan, stuff business, I was a baby. I'm really thinking about getting this C8, you know what I'm saying? If I get some money, I might get this C8. If I get that C8, it might be over, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how big C8s are on YouTube, but you know, I'm gonna do my thing with it. I'm gonna make content with it, I'm gonna rent it out, I'm gonna do a lot with it. I have to make me money on multiple ways, you know what I'm saying? Give me a C8 and a daily driver. If I can get this C8, I'm about to manifest it out real quick as I drive. Give me this C8, make car content with it, rent it out. Give me a Honda, daily drive it, you know what I'm saying?
Stay in the middle lane.
And then until I make enough money from doing like social media and the car content, then I give me a G82. And I keep my C8, you know what I'm saying? So I have a G82 and a C8. Then make more content with the Beamer. We make more content with the Beamer until we get enough money, then we do a build. We're gonna do a Hellcat Chrysler build, you know what I'm saying? I'm not here manifesting what's gonna happen. We're gonna make this Hellcat Chrysler build. So in my fleet, I'll have a C8, a Hellcat Chrysler, and a G82. With a car collection like that, how can I not win on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Like, how can we not win? It don't make no sense, you know what I'm saying? So, that's the plays, that's the methods we got for 2025, that's the goal.
Right.
Will I complete all that in 2025? I don't know. The C8 is possible. The G82 is like, I don't know, it's a 70K car, so the C8 I'm looking at is like 60K, 50K, and then another 70K. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Depends how I get blessed this year. Depends how the algorithm likes me, you know? But only time will tell, you feel me? Only time will tell. Well, traffic is so bad today, I don't know why. If y'all listening, man, tell me about y'all stuff, what y'all got going on. How's y'all mental health? What's y'all dream car? My new Trevor dream car is a new C8, the ZR1X, 1200 horsepower in an all-wheel drive C8. I get that car. When I get that car, there's nothing on the street that's gonna beat me. Nothing. I don't care if it's tuned or stock. Nothing is beating me when I have that car. That car is gonna cost like 200 plus K, and that's gonna be the supercar I'm gonna get. When I get dumb brand, we finna have the ZR1X all-wheel drive Corvette C8. And then we got with Urus. We got with G82.
Stay in the second or third lane from right.
We gonna have a Hellcat. And we gonna have an old Supra. That's like my ultimate car list. An old Supra, like an MK4. And I might go Cybertruck just for the, you know what I'm saying?
Stay in the middle 3 lanes.
Just for the fashion. But That's the goals. I'm saying that's all-time goals right there, car collection wise. And then a penthouse, Miami or Atlanta, like a high sky raiser. All we gotta do is keep striving, keep working, and it's gonna happen. If y'all don't set goals for yourself and then work to the goals, it ain't gonna never happen. You can't just set a goal. Manifestation is speaking into existence, working into existence too. You know what I'm saying? You gotta work it and do it every day. I'm out here working out, creating content every day. You know what I'm saying? It's no inconsistency for me. Like, you look at my other channel, I post on that channel every day. I post every day on TikTok since New Year. I don't miss a day. I'm locked in. I gotta lock in on this channel too. I just don't be outside as much, so I gotta just do my car reactions. And then whenever I'm outside, make my outside content. You feel me? We gonna make something shake. I've been saying this all year, man. We gonna make something shake, man. It's just gonna happen. One way or another, it's gonna happen. I was talking to my people, it's like, I'll be 50 years old, I'm still gonna chase this YouTube dream, man. I don't care what nobody tell me. Make this happen. Alright, so I don't want y'all to see where I potentially might live, so we're gonna end here and I'm gonna show y'all the crib. Could you show me the after this, like the amenities of the okay, yeah. Two walk-in closets. Yeah.
So your nephew will have the short end of the stick, I guess, with the smaller class.
Yeah, he is. But he'll be all right.
And your roommate?
My roommate, he does the clothing with me. Come here.
Yeah, they can come anytime except when they clean it.
Oh, so I can come in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Okay. Got his own Planet Fitness. Downtown right there.
This is the clubhouse, so you can come and play pool if you want to. This is where the association